a motor for the landing gear. If you look at this situation, see the space between the trailer is very narrow. For a human being to walk in here is very hard. You have to walk sideways. In order to crank the landing gear, you might hit your head, you might fall, you might hurt your elbows. It's very hard to crank the landing gear in this situation. So that is why you need a motorized landing gear where you can control from here, from the front, not between the trailers. Look at the other side of the trailer. Here you have plenty of room, but you don't have a crank. You don't have a cranking handle on this side. The cranking handle on the other side. If you walk around the trailer, you have enough room here, but parking the trailer in the middle is not a practical way. Every driver have a different way of doing it. Look at this situation here, is very narrow. That is exactly why you need a landing gear motor where you can control the landing gear without going between the trailers and getting hurt.